Hello and welcome friends, how are you? Hope all are good. So friends, today I'm going to show about this standing reel which is Pokemon Trim filter. How to get this filter? Let's know about it. So to get this filter, first update your Instagram and open it. Now you have to click on your profile pic and click on your camera. Now go to the right side and click on the browse effects option and search here Pokemon. Okay, keep the spelling like this. Now you have to scroll up and there you will get this filter. Click on this video and you can save permanently this filter from here. Okay, or if you want to try directly, then click on the try it option. Okay, and guys, I'm using front camera, but you have to turn your front and long press on your camera and record your video. So in this way you can use this filter very easily.